Best mom ever. My money don't jiggle jiggle. Let's turn up the hit. A new episode of She-Hulk already, Justin!
Hi, Mommy!
Enough! I'm calling a nanny. Oh, it's like Tinder but for nannies. This one.
The best nanny is here.
Nanny! So glad to see you here! Whoopsie!
Bye, I'm leaving.
Bye, Mommy! It's time to play! Nanny, smile!
Sure, young man.
That's a nice one! This is just an art project! And the new star goes here!
Your mom left a list for you. Brush your teeth, eat healthily, clean your room.
You wanna play a game,
no
Nanny?
Sweets.
You're going nowhere! Yep, Roger, Roger!
Don't look, you little...
I spy with my little eye!
I will give you a little Iron Man cosplay opportunity. Helmet first.
I can't see!
It's never too late for a fashion hack. I have watched enough 5-minute crafts to know how the magic happens. Yay! It's a nice one. I think I'm missing a belt. Give me that. Okay, I'm officially a fashion icon. Now for the little guy.
I'll show you now. Oh no, not the hard ones. Whoopsie.
Time for a snack, baby.
I hope it's some gummy bears. Definitely not gummies. Oh no, I spilled some. Whoops. She doesn't have a
I
clue.
have a clue, my guy. Silly one. Let's give you an extra portion.
What? Now what?
And this comes with me. Bon voyage.
There has to be a way around this. Yeah. This plant looks hungry. This is for a rainy day. Giving back to nature. I'm a genius. So good.
You're a good boy. Justin! You know what? You're getting this one too. Eat.
Make me woman. Look, I'm playing with the food too.
I have to do something. This gadget might just save my life and my mental health. Let's see it in action. Perfect rotation. Here you go.
What is that? Ha! Huh? What is going on? Is this like Saturn ball or something? Okay, I guess I'll take this L.
Victory tastes like oatmeal for some reason. Time for yogurt.
Nuh-uh, we're doing none of that.
Guess I have to figure out something again. The helicopter is coming!
I love helicopters! Give me that!
Yes, Tom Holland, I want a kiss. Yes, Zendaya could wait. Wait, what?
Picasso is in the house! Hi, how you doing, mustache lady?
What is going on here? Oh no! Huh? And what is this? This is too much! Breathe, girl. Got to be zen. Let's foil his plans. Yep. I know it's a stretch, but I might be the smartest person I know. I have to cover everything. Done. Even the pillows. Now back to my Prince Tommy. Wait. Better be safe than sorry.
I'm better than Da Vinci at this point. This is a masterpiece. Charlie Chaplin time. She won't know what hit her.
I'm having the last laugh now. Now let's get these bad boys off. The walls are perfectly clean. I won't need this stretch anymore. Slam dunk.
Huh? But all of my drawings are gone now. My art. No.
Sweet mother of, what do we have here? Just one spoon. I'm starting my fitness journey tomorrow. You know what? My fitness journey came to an abrupt end. This is the taste of my summer body slipping away, but I love it. Huh? Oops, there's nothing left. I got some
Wait,
here.
my Nutella!
Don't worry, I have a solution. We will need some milk. Put some more, don't be shy. Now we close the lid. Shake it, baby! I'm all about damn gains. Honestly, never mind. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. Now let's put some whipped cream in. This steak guy got nothing on me. Let it rain. Here's your cocktail, mister.
Delicious! I need some more!
Yay, the little guy is happy again. What do we have here? Literally stealing candy from a baby.
So good!
So good indeed.
I'm officially shook! Oh, come on! I gotta reach that precious potion! But I still got it! Now get ready for the fireworks! Give me that delicious iced tea! Faster, faster! Okay, now back on track! We're pouring some water in the ice bottle. And now comes the soy sauce. She doesn't know what's coming. Perfect! I'm a true evil genius. This prank is cold, I can tell you that. Oh, she's coming!
Today is National Iced Tea Day. Let's celebrate that. Bottoms up. What is that? My mouth is hurting.
You're not so smart like me. How could you do such a stupid thing? So funny. Disgusting. I got you with the lasso of truth. Tell me, doesn't there like me too?
Oh, it's surely a mess around here. No! Ouch!
Oh no! I have to help her! Lola! I have an idea! I am soon to be a beautiful butterfly! Now look! Woo! You know how sticky it gets! I'm like a magneto but for Legos!
Wow! Let's do it teamwork style, buddy! Everything goes in now?
I look like a Christmas tree!
Are we done yet? When it rains, it pours. Okay, done.
Can you help me with this?
Sure. Let's reverse that mummification process.
Thank you!
Oh no! I'm stuck here!
Now it's my turn! Oopsie! It's like I removed the sweater!
Wait, what? My arms feel so free! It's actually nice!
A house made of Nutella with little Nutella people.
Come here, little Justin.
What? Oh, please no! Who are you?
Hi, little one.
Nanny!
Monster?
Monster!
There's no monster!
I'm still scared.
Don't worry. I'm the Ghostbuster you need. Yep, that's it. Let's get to work. We're going to repel them with the anti-monster spray. Ooh. Our weapon needs some upgrades. Perfect. He will buy that. This spray will help you.
Really?
Let's try it. You're ready?
Yeah.
Spray, 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 spray. Not me. It's just for monsters.
Okay.
Finally some TV time. Wow, Candle has a new boyfriend?
What? Time for a little refreshment. Whoops.
Wait, what? Is it raining inside? Strange.
It'll get only stranger, sweetie. When it rains, it pours. Headshot!
Wait, what? You little mister and your silly tricks.
Got you again!
It wasn't funny the first time around. Now I'm going to take him to prank school. I just need to be sneaky about it. Now I need to put the straw in and curve it. Yep, exactly like that. Some tape for good measure. Let's see you now, sniper.
Here we go again! I got played!
Have a good one, Aquaman. Justin, it's time for food.
I don't think so.
Huh? Justin.
You can't catch me! Too slow! Call me Flash!
That's enough. Desperate times, desperate measures.
What?
Now you'll eat. The spacecraft is coming. Do I have clearance for landing?
You don't!
Good job. Another ship has left the station. Let me see the target. Thank you, Captain. Another one, mini cat.
I kinda like it!
Justin, I brought you some fruits.
Fruits? I don't like fruits! But candy, that's another story. Tasty!
This kid is trying to finish me off. Wait a minute. The good old grapes and candy wraps trick. That will work. Firstly, we take the candy off. I will save it for later. Now the healthier version comes in. I think I'm going to save the candy for myself. You know the drill by now. Chocolate rain saved the forecast. Done. We're ready here. Where is he now? Huh?
Hey! Thanks for unwrapping them.
The situation is as bitter as this grape. And one more, baby? Good boy. You deserve sweets.
Wow! Oh no, 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 no! Look at my precious lollipop! It's all dirty now! Look! My lollipop!
Don't worry, I have one more.
Really?
Yes, but wait a second. I got it. Here's how we're going to do it now. Now we put the lolly inside.
Let me!
Here you go.
This is so cool! When I'm done, I just click it and I can place it anywhere! Whoa! I'm a Roger Federer of the Lala universe! Time for Roger to have a little treat! Whoa, this girl is kind of smart, I give her that!
How fast do they grow up? Wait a sec. Disgusting! Ew! I think these were mine.
Oh, let's see how my boy is doing.
Huh? Who's that? Our time is almost up. We have to hide this. Eat your vegetables.
No, I don't want vegetables!
At least pretend.
No, I don't want them! I love veggies so much! I will never eat chocolate in my life ever again! Lala is the best nanny! Love you, Mom!
Send that to Mommy.
Oh, that sounds so good, thank you.
Nice.
I love chocolate so much!
Hey, look here.
What was that? Whatever. Huh? No!
Oh, sweetie, isn't it sweet?
You got absolutely no chance!
We'll see.
Oh no!
Everything is in place.
Hey, Mom!
Hi, Justin. Hi, Lola. Oh, such Gotcha, sweetie pie.
Now the fun begins. Lola!
Wait, it is dry?
Just a prank. Look. Let's do it to Mom. Yeah.
Let's rock. Miss Sandra?
Yes, please.
This little mischievous.
You better run.